How to restore Snapchat without really paying. This video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can restore your Snapchat without really paying. Go ahead and open your Snapchat. When you open your Snapchat, as you can see, guys, my streak with this person has ended, but I'm going to restore it without paying. So go ahead and click on restore. When I click on restore, I can go ahead and click on where it says restore. So as you can see, guys, the Snapchat is already, the streak is already restored. As you can see, guys, I'm not using any Snapchat Plus here, so this is absolutely done with a free account. So all you have to do is to go ahead and click on restore, and it's going to restore it for a certain number of streaks you want to restore, but just do it quickly. Do not delay on it, guys. So guys, the trick here is that you have a certain number of streaks you can recover, you can restore without paying. So every month, Snapchat, this is the new update, guys, every month Snapchat give you a certain number of restore that you can recover your streak. So the main thing you have to focus is that, guys, make sure when you're restoring this, restore it quickly. So immediately the streak is over, go ahead and click on where it says restore. So don't wait 48 hours or more than that to do it, because when you leave it to last longer, it's going to become automatically paid. So that's another thing you have to do, guys. So this is how you can restore Snapchat streaks for free without actually paying. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel.